Good morning, students of class 10. In this video class of mathematics, we have started already chapter reflection. Let us solve question number 13. This question states that a point PAB is reflected in the x-axis to P dash 2 minus 3. Write down the values of A and B. P double dash is the image of P when reflected in the y-axis. Write down the coordinates of P double dash. Find the coordinates of P triple dash when P is reflected in the line parallel to y-axis such that x equal to 4. First of all, we draw this lines of axis, x-axis, and this is y-axis. Reflection or the coordinate of image is given P dash 2 minus 3. Obviously, this will lie in the fourth quadrant. P dash coordinate given 2 minus 3. And this image is formed after reflection in x-axis. So object was in the first quadrant. So from there it will reflect and it will cross x-axis to reach P dash. So the coordinate of P sit in the first quadrant. So abscissa and coordinate both will be positive. So it will become 2 and 3. PAB here PAB became equal to P 2 3. Therefore A equal to 2 and B equal to 3. The second question is P double dash is the image of P when reflected in the y-axis. While this P will reflect in the y-axis, then this image will be P double dash. Here is P double dash. Since P came in the second quadrant after reflection in y-axis, so the coordinate will be -2 and 3. You know, in second quadrant, if any point will lie, its abscissa will be negative, but coordinate will be positive. So the coordinate of P double dash became -2 3. In the question it was asked, write the coordinate of P double dash. So right here, coordinate of P double dash equal to 2 3 -2 3. Now the next question is find the coordinates of P triple dash when P is reflected in the line parallel to y-axis such that x equal to 4. Suppose this is 4, x equal to 4. So in this one line is drawn. This is A. Distance of A became 4. And which point is reflected? Here P is reflected in this line. This P is reflected in this line. P will come here. Okay. So from formula also we can find out this P triple dash. Here is P triple dash. So coordinate of P triple dash. Coordinate of P triple dash is equal to -x plus 2a comma y. So this is 2, but here we write -2 as per formula. We write -2 plus 2a. 2 into a is 4, comma y is 3. You calculate it. It became -2 plus 8 equal to 6, comma 3. So the coordinate of P triple dash became 6, comma 3. Question number 18. This question states that the triangle ABC where A12, B48, C68 is reflected in the x-axis to triangle A dash B dash C dash. The triangle A dash B dash C dash is then reflected in the origin to triangle A double dash B double dash C double dash. Write down the coordinates of A double dash B double dash C double dash and write down a single transformation that maps ABC onto A double dash B double dash C double dash. First of all, in this triangle there are three vertices A, B and C, and the coordinate of all these three vertices are given A 1 2, B 4 8 and C 6 8. Let us locate all these three coordinates. 1 2 both are positive, abscissa and ordinate both are positive, so all these three will lie in the first quadrant. This is the location of point A, this is the location of point B, this is the location of point C. I joined with the real line, we got one triangle ABC. How will we locate this point? Let us see that also. This one is the distance on x-axis. I draw the perpendicular. I got here 1. This is 1. This distance is 1, and this distance is 2. So coordinate of A became 1. Similarly, this distance is 4, and this distance is 8. So coordinate of B became 4 8, and this distance is 6. This distance is 8. So coordinate of C became 6 8. In this way, we located all these 3 points A, B, C in the first quadrant because abscissa and ordinate both are positive. Now these 3 points are reflected in x-axis. So here is x-axis. This point will come in this quadrant, and as it travels, this distance is 2, same distance will travel this side also. And in this way, as per the sign convention of the quadrant, coordinate of A dash became 1 minus 2, because the point that lies in the fourth quadrant, abscissa will be positive, but ordinate will be negative. So the coordinate of A dash became 1 minus 2. Similarly, after reflection, coordinate of B will be B dash 4 minus 8. And coordinate of C will be C dash 6 minus 8. In all these three, A dash, B dash, C dash, we are saying abscissa will be positive and ordinate will be negative, because all these 3 points lie in the fourth quadrant. And in the fourth quadrant, if the point lies in the fourth quadrant, abscissa will be positive and ordinate will be negative. Now these 3 points are reflected through origin. As these 3 points will reflect through origin, it will come in the second quadrant. And the coordinate of A triple dash will be minus 1 2. Because any point that lies in the second quadrant, abscissa will be negative and ordinate will be positive. So this abscissa became negative and ordinate is positive. Similarly, coordinate of B triple dash will be minus 4 and 8. Abscissa negative, ordinate positive. And coordinate of C triple dash will be minus 6 and 8, because abscissa will be negative and ordinate will be positive. In this way, the coordinate of A triple dash is minus 1 and 2. The coordinate of B triple dash is equal to minus 4 and 8, and the coordinate of C triple dash is equal to minus 6 and 8. One more question is there, that is related with the single transformation. Write down the single transformation that maps ABC onto A double dash B double dash onto A triple dash B triple dash and C triple dash. I repeat this statement. Write down a single transformation that maps ABC onto A double dash, B double dash and C double dash, not triple dash. Write down a single transformation that maps ABC onto A double dash, B double dash and C double dash. So single transformation is from how will you, through which axis you will reflect that object, you will reach to the final image. Final image is A double dash, all these are double dash, not triple dash. A double dash, B double dash and C double dash. Real object is this one, ABC. So through which axis you will reflect ABC, so that you will reach to the final image. Final image is A double dash, B double dash and C double dash. So through which axis you will reflect this object? Your answer should be, this will reflect through Y axis. So you can reach to the final image A double dash, B double dash and C double dash. So single transformation, I am writing here, single transformation of ABC onto A double dash, B double dash, C double dash is reflection in y axis. That is single transformation. Single transformation of ABC onto A double dash, B double dash, C double dash is reflection in y-axis. So in this way our answer became the coordinate of A double dash, not triple dash, A double dash is -1 2, coordinate of B double dash -4 8, coordinate of C double dash -6 8. These are the coordinates of these three vertices. Next, the single transformation of ABC onto A double dash, B double dash, C double dash is means through which line of axis you will reflect this object, so you will reach to the final image. Your answer should be reflection in y-axis. So I wrote here reflection in y-axis.